there, it's the Kinder Lady. Do you want to help those needy kids in your class? I know we all do, but sometimes we don't know what to do. Well, I'm going to tell you a story of a class that I had a while back. It was a temporary assignment of fourth graders who were well known in the school to be troublemakers, I guess would be the word. And so I went in there. I was warned, don't give them homework. I gave them homework anyway. I gave them an assignment out of the book. They said they won't bring the books back. Well, they did bring their books back. How did I get them to bring their books back? I promised them all, if they did their homework and brought their books back, I would give them a candy kiss. So, for a simple candy kiss, they did it. Sometimes you need a little motivation. I also tried a lot of hands-on things that would engage them, and it worked to a certain extent. And one day, I turned the lights off, I put on a small lamp, I had some Native American music playing on a boombox, and I quieted them down, and I said, I'm going to read to you. I'm going to read to you a story about a famous chief. So the music was playing. When I began to read, I turned it down a little bit more, and I read the story. They were mesmerized. In fact, at the end, they were asking me questions. I felt that was a real win. And towards the end, it was time to get going, so I believe it was the last day, and some of the kids made me cards, and that was sweet. And there was a little girl in particular who I felt like I did not connect with and gave me a lot of trouble. She made me a card, and I was like, wow, that's really cool. And the kids were packing up to go home and saying our goodbyes, and suddenly she calls out across the room, Mrs. Prater, don't leave us, we need you. That's something to think about. See you soon.